In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Smartsheet. If you prefer a darker interface because it feels easier on your eyes, especially during evening work sessions, this process is usually very quick. The exact options can vary a little depending on your Smartsheet version, account type, or updates to the platform. So the main goal is to know where to look and what to do if the setting is not built in. Start by opening Smartsheet and signing in so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the main screen, head to your account area or personal settings. In most cases, this is found by clicking your profile icon, account menu, or settings area, usually near the top corner of the screen. Take your time here because the layout may look slightly different depending on whether you're using the browser version or another setup. After that, look for anything related to appearance, theme, or display settings. These are the most common places where dark mode controls are located. If Smartsheet offers dark mode in your version, it will usually appear as a toggle, a drop-down selection, or a theme option. You may see labels such as light, dark, system, default, or something similar. Once you find that section, check whether dark mode is available for your version of Smartsheet. This is important because not every account or release may have the same customization settings. If the dark mode option appears, go ahead and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, the interface may change right away or it may need a moment to apply the new theme. If you don't see a dark mode option in Smartsheet itself, the next step is to use your browser or system dark mode setting instead. Many modern browsers and operating systems can force or support dark themed viewing, which may help make the overall experience more comfortable. This won't always affect every part of Smartsheet perfectly, but it can still make a noticeable difference. Finally, refresh Smartsheet and check the display. This helps confirm whether the theme change has fully applied. After the page reloads, look at the menus, background areas, and sheet interface to make sure the display appears the way you want. If it doesn't update immediately, try reopening the page after confirming your settings. That's it. You now know how to check for and enable dark mode in Smartsheet or use an alternative dark setting if the built-in option isn't available.